Hello beautiful, today I'm showing you my new arrivals from ODENS Eyes. I bought the new release that was released I think in January, but it took quite a lot to reach me, the NORN'S series. And I've bought, it's my first order from ODENS Eyes. I hadn't known it was an European brand. It's a Swedish one actually, but the stuff, the palettes are made in China, in Far East. Let's see. Yes, made in China, distributed by Sleepless Nordic, ODENS Eyes. So the NORN'S collection is composed by 4 different palettes. We have a bigger one which is 18 grams, and it's called NORN'S. It's a very beautiful print on the cardboard package. Let's look. It's so gorgeous, really beautiful, and it has a lot of beautiful colors. I've already looked at the palette yesterday with my daughter, and she she tried some of the shadows. Sorry. This is the biggest palette. It has 16 different shadows. There are no glitters inside. The shadows that looks like glitters are not glitters actually. They are very creamy and duochrome, and they are really beautiful. Look how deep this blue is. And I also love this green chameleon color in here. I haven't swatched this one yet, so look. That's very gorgeous. And another one that is very beautiful for me, it's Amber Palace. Amber Palace, that is this marbled eyeshadow, and this is a goldy with silvery reflects. Very beautiful. The color payoff is great. Let's try a matte one. Let's try Outsider. Yes, very beautiful. So I'm going to do a few looks with this palette. I will try to do as many looks as I can and edit the video as fast as I can. Let's get started. I will apply my eyeshadow base, and I haven't mirror in front of me. For the first time I connected the camera to my computer, so I can see in a bigger window what I'm doing, because I've applied an additional light on top of the camera, and so I'm not able to flip on the screen of the camera. That's why I'm looking sometimes on my left side, because I have the computer on that side. So I will try to do something very easy. Let's start with Dazed, with the fluffy brush. This is a taupey grayish color. It's a matte one, obviously. And I apply it into my crease as a transition shade. I will then, with the flat brush, I'm going to pick up Glamour. That's an orangey. apply orangey, the orangey color all over my lid. Just on top in the crease to warm it and blend it with the orangey. Just a little soft touch. This way. Like this orange tone, it's very pigmented, it's very easy to work with, it's a very nice color. It's not so it's bright, but it's not too orangey, let's say. It has a lot of goldy reflex that I love, and so I hope you love this look too, and move on to the next one. Okay, for the second look, I'm going to do something warm, and I will start with mist, that it's a plummy color, and I will apply the warm plummy color into my crease with a very huge fluffy brush, just to have a hint of base color in here. It is a particular plummy with silvery shine, glittery, I would say, but it's not glitter actually, particles, glittery particles in it, and I will apply at the end of my lid in the, let's say, outer half. That's it looks like a grayish, it's not gray, it's, let's see, it's like turquoise, a light blue, okay, it's light blue with gold and grayish reflect. I love this color. Okay, I really love also this look. They pair very beautiful together, these two colors, even though if you will not think it, look how I love it. I really love it. Just blend a little bit in the middle to have a smooth passage from one color. Look, lovely. Okay, since this will not be my last tutorial with this palette, I will not add again eyeliner and mascara on my eyes, so I will remove this one and proceed with my final look. Okay, we are ready for the final look. I will never film 3 different looks in a row because my eyes are burning. It's too much for me. Okay, I will do a very easy look, starting with the pragmatism, the warm brown, and applying it into the outer part of my lid in a V shape. I'm blending it into my crease. Just designing a line in going out. Okay, then I have a new brush, a silicone brush. I bought this brush on AliExpress. It's not an expensive one. I will buy more because they are really, they are I think it was 3 pieces. I don't think I bought 3, but I bought a set of 3. They are silicone pointed and they are beautiful for those shadows like the Huda ones, or also the Kaleidos one. It works great with the Kaleidos one. So I will take Amber Palace with this one and apply the shadow into the lid, pressing and then blending. This is a very easy look, but I think this kind of look are really nice and glamorous. Very beautiful and nice. I love it. Look, this is a mix of gold and silver. I love this shade. It's very beautiful. I will add this time an eyeliner. I'm using this Rimmel waterproof eyeliner. This is the number 3. Let's apply some mascara. Okay, that's the final look. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up, a comment, or subscribe to my channel. I will be very glad to see you soon, and have a nice day. Bye bye.